how to turn on synchronizations in your Google account, or how you can sync your Google account on Chrome. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, I'm going to show my window, but if you're using any other device like Android phone and iPhone, you can follow the same steps. So let me open the browser. Okay, just open your browser, and first thing we need to check whether our Chrome browser up to date or not. So I can check it. Just click on the three dot icon option, go to the help, go to the about Google Chrome, and here whether you have to check whether your Chrome browser up to date or not. So if it is up to date, it will be okay, but if it is not, then it will be start automatically updating, and after update you have to just relaunch it. Now just log in with your Google account, and now in order to turn on synchronization or syncs, just click on this icon where you can find out here, or you can simply go to the settings by clicking this three dot, go to the settings, and here you can see your Google account, and you can also switch your Google account from here if you have multiple account, and you have to just click on this turn on synchronization. Then this, okay, so it was previously using Chrome. Okay, this is for me because I have already used this email ID to synchronize this browser, so that's why it's showing me. But I can add, this was me, or I can continue it and it will be on. Okay, now you have to yes, I am in, and it will be on, and you can go to the setting after add, and here you can see your synchronize will be on, and you can here manage what you want to synchronize. Okay, manage what you want synchronize, and you can synchronize everything. You can customize synchronize, you can disable enable information to synchronize, or you can synchronize everything. Okay, so it is, I just off it. Okay, so that's how you can on the synchronization. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.